Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another video on how you can insert image in Word document app on your mobile phone. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Word application. So then tap on the open icon in the bottom right corner. You can either open the same file where you want to insert the picture, or you can simply open a new file or a blank page. In case if you want to add the picture on a recent file, then tap on the open icon in the bottom right, and after that tap on recent in the top right corner. Either you open a recent file or a blank document, the procedure is similar. Now all you need to do is you'll have to load the page where you want to insert the picture. After that you'll have this kind of interface, and you can see in the bottom right corner there is an arrow icon. Just tap on it. You'll have to tap on home in the top left corner of your screen. So once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, so then tap on insert. Once you tap on insert, you can see that the interface has been changed. All you need to do is slightly scroll down and then tap on pictures. After you tap on picture, you have two different options. So you can either take a picture from your camera, or you can simply load the image that is saved on your gallery. So then select the method that is convenient for you. So I'll be going on with photos. So you can either select it from your drive, or you can simply select it from the gallery. Again, select the method that is convenient for you. So for example, I'll go with this one. And once you tap on it, the picture has been selected automatically. Now you can see that the image has been selected, and right at the bottom you can either rotate it, crop it, or in case you don't like this picture, then you can simply delete it and then do the same procedure in order to insert another picture. If you're sure about inserting this picture, tap on done, which is in the bottom right corner. As you can see that the image has been inserted. You can see right at the bottom there are multiple options, so you can go through it. And that is how you can insert image on your Word document app on your mobile phone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.